I'll send him the link to the video.
I am Fireworks Uzumaki Jinkuriki.
You sound fucking stupid as fuck, dude. You really do sound stupid, dude. Like, I'm not even lying. I'm sorry, but like, that's legit the nice
I'm legit about to call Lloyd up and tell him that.
You sound really fucking stupid. You sound really fucking stupid. You sound really stupid. Shut the fuck up. Okay. If it's a Lloyd impression, never mind.
I am Fireworks Uzumaki. I am the Saiyan God Uzumaki Jinchuriki Hokage with number 1, bro. Number 1 hero.
Faggot. Shoot yourself. Just shoot yourself, please. Hang yourself. I will fucking help you. I will chop off your dick. Keep on saying it, bitch.
What the fuck?
Nothing.
My goal is the greatest Hokage.
I'm telling you right now, I will tell someone to peg you.
Hokage Jinchuriki, number 1 hero.
I will chop off your 1 inch. Shut the fuck up.
At Beerus's planet with Jiraiya, bro, for 2 years.
Shut the fuck up. You sound gay. Shut the fuck up. The fucking All Might. He's like, All Might, I'm about to be fucked by All Might. Let's go. Nah. That's just beyond. You shut the fuck up.
Did you say anal talking? Lloyd, send back up. Send back.